Welcome back guys. And in WhatsApp, if you want to customize any contact, means the ringtones, the notifications color, notifications light, vibration for any particular contact is different. Suppose you have 10 contacts and you want 10 ringtones, WhatsApp ringtones for every contact. How do you do that? So in this video we will discuss and I will tell you step by step procedure, so not wasting much of your time. If you are new to the channel, if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just going to the WhatsApp, and suppose I am going to take this, and this contact we want to customize. Then what will we do? We just go to custom notifications, and here we will enable it. From here you can select the notifications tone. What is this? Any I have selected calm. You can select the vibration, it is default or short or long. I have selected off. The light, what you want to see, notifications backlight, and ringtone means if that person is calling you, these are the different ringtones you can select for that particular individual. And when that person is calling, the mobile should vibrate or not. Here you can select from this option. So this is how you can customize your notifications for a particular person. So for different persons you can select the different ringtone, different notifications, different vibration pattern, different light. So this is all what I wanted to tell you regarding media visibility. And if you do not want to see the notification, just mute it. Okay, always 1 week or any. So this is what I wanted to tell you. So if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.